Sports cards here. We're going to need 3 boxes of Donruss. 16 Donruss. Somebody bought these online. We're going to open these up. These are my last 3. So we'll see what we can get into them. Good luck, good luck. What's up, JB? What's going on, man? Nope. Up on the screen so we can maybe move some of these. We're pretty close on Champions League and NT. NT we got 9 left. NT Collegiate. Champions League we have 12 left. Euro Prism's at 14. Euro Prism is at 14. That's a dual case of Euro Prism. 2 cases we're going here. 9 left. Roger, if you want me to put your name down, I can put your name down. It's 118 a spot. And you're going to get 1 serial number to run the whole case. Left side serial number 1 through 10. Alright, so let's check it out after this, man. I can put your name down, Roger, and see where we get with it. Alright. Sounds good, man. It moves and moves. Get a new TV. Alright, how about we take down this? We don't need this anymore. I'm not going to read off through all these on the inserts. We'll just read off the numbered here. Important stuff. The important stuff. There's a die cut. How about for Juve? Patrice Evra. 21 of 49. 21 of 49 Patrice Evra autograph. Die cuts. Any numbered? Any numbered? It's supposed to get one numbered, right? Along with the autograph. There it is. Number to 149, Jose Jimenez. 149. All right, that's box number 1. Number 1. All right, next box. UEFA by 2. It's at 14 on Euros, 12 on Champions League. Nice. Appreciate it, Jay. Ooh, flying pack. I need to empty out this bag afterwards, too. Alright, so that gets us down to 13 and 12. 13 and 12. After yesterday, those are the last 2 Gold River cases I have that we did yesterday. I'm not going to order from there anymore. They just been getting worse and worse. What's up, Maury? What's going on, man? You on tonight? You streaming? Yeah, 3 oranges. I don't know. I think I'm getting something, man. I'm not sure. My little one, she had a fever for a day, but she doesn't have the fever anymore. So I can't tell, though. I think there's something definitely going around. Canvas to 49, Toni Kroos, Real Madrid. Die cut, number to 149, Luciana Vieto. I know, right? Who's the one with all the drugs? Get an IV going. I will tonight, Maury. I will tonight, man. Got backed up with some stuff over here. Alright, that was 2. Basketball. They're allocating that and Donruss Optic. I think these were 50? No. 45? I think they were 45. Something like that when I had them in the store. Yep. Optic is allocated. Nice box. Could get some more of these if you guys want. I think the price would be around 45, 50 bucks or something like that. I gotta look at my list again. I think it's cheaper, but I just blew these out just so I can get some money back. No, I think they might be 40 bucks. 35 or 40 bucks. Yeah, I think it's 30. I have to look at my list. I'll look at it right now. Yeah, I think it'd be 35 or 40. This stuff came down quite a bit. Black gold, so I put that in the store. Some really good prices on black gold. I do have black gold if you guys want to check that out in the store. We got quite a few teams taken when I put it up this morning. All right, good luck. Good luck, good luck. And there's our autograph right on top. Not a bad one, Wesley Schneider. Wesley Schneider. Kareem Benzema. Not bad. Die cut. Number 149. Rujani. Daniel Rujani. Juve. Canvas to 49. Giorgio Chiellini. Juve. All right. Appreciate it again to get these out to you.